In this lesson, we're going to learn about Google Forms, which is an awesome free tool to get feedback from site visitors and to make your site interactive. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to know when a student came to my site and was interested in participating in 1 million lines. So assuming, or as long as you have a Google account, you can go to drive.google.com. And we're going to create a form over here. So create a form. Just for ease, we're going to choose the default form, and it's going to be called Student Signups. All right. You can do different question types. We're going to put in text, and we're going to say, please leave your email address and we'll let you know when we launch. Required question. Thank you for being interested in 1 million lines. Done. Now we're going to say send form. We're going to grab this link right here. So you can do Command-C to copy it. Now we're going to go over to Sublime. We'll just go ahead and put it right here. And let's give it a target attribute of _blank so that we'll open a new window, save it, go over to Google Chrome, reload our page, click on this, opens a new window, student signups. Please leave your email address and we'll let you know when we launch. Submit. Thank you for being interested in 1 million lines. So now we can come back over here, and yeah, I should have put it on this link over here. Sorry about that. But now in my Drive, you have, since you created this form, Google Drive's automatically created this responses spreadsheet for you. So click on this, and you should have one response. Here we go. Timestamp, the email address, ryan@masteracademy.us. And we'll go up here and enable notification rules. Notify me at whatever your email address is when any changes are made. We'll say anything on this sheet is changed, and we'll say a daily digest. We'll say a user submits a form too. Save it, and now each day you'll get a digest of whoever submitted that form. So this is an awesome way to get feedback. If, say, you have a new idea for a site, or maybe you want to create like a contact me form for clients, you can do this with Google Forms as well.